来关心洛西埃飞弹和无人机去轰炸乌克兰的首都基辅，造成上报有12个人死亡，90多人重伤。美国总统川普日时表示，伊对这件代志是真无欢喜。伊讲，伊当底向莫斯科施压，伊嘛讲，刷落来这几天是真重要，因为和平协议就得要讲成啊。
乌克兰首都基辅，和俄罗斯的飞弹加无人机猛烈的攻击，建立无损害，引起大火，造成百姓重大死伤。空袭警报响6点钟，对此美国总统川普真无欢喜。
You used the words Vladimir, stop. That seemed like a slightly different message, a personal message. What is your level of frustration with President Putin?
I didn't like last night. I wasn't happy with it. And we're in the midst of talking peace, and missiles were fired.
If the bombs keep falling, will you consider additional sanctions toward Russia, or what will you do if President Putin?
I'd rather answer that question in a week. I want to see if we can have a deal. We're putting a lot of pressure on Russia, and Russia knows that.
What concessions has Russia offered up thus far to get to the point where you're closer to peace?
Stopping the war, stopping taking the whole country. Pretty big concession.
国务卿卢比奥这礼拜六有一场国家政治部的讨论，希望会让看到俄双方确定相关的协议。川普对普京加泽伦斯基的态度真无共款，不讲泽伦斯基是独裁者，不过对普京的态度是较温和。即马无论是基辅也是莫斯科，拢受到川普的压力。川普甚至呛声讲，和平若无进展，袂阁再做中人调停。乌克兰总统泽伦斯基23讲，未伫咧任何和平协议内面承认俄罗斯有克里米亚半岛的主权。川普对泽伦斯基这种讲法真不满，24讲乌克兰要将克里米亚收回真困难，战争若果拍落去，到时因会失去规个国家。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。